Good morning everybody. Today we've got the honour of going down into the Hotel Amnaya with the executive chef here. He's going to be teaching you and I how to make Satay Lilit. It's a traditional Balinese dish. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get down with Chef Sigit and learn how to make Satay Lilit. Come on, what are you waiting for? How beautiful is this setting? Absolutely gorgeous. Just look at the herbs and the spices the chef has set up around me. So today we're going to be cooking the Satay Lilit, which is the traditional Balinese dish. Chef Sigit is going to show us how to do it, so you can make this at home. We've got all the ingredients. I'll put all those up for you. So where do we start then, Chef?
Yes, I will introduce all ingredients.
Thank you.
The first we will cook the Sambal Matah.
Sambal Matah.
We have green chili, salad, kaffir leaf, shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste. So how do you say this in Balinese?
Balinese is terasi.
Terasi.
Terasi udang.
Terasi udang. So that's the shrimp paste.
And then lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
And then we have limo.
Okay.
Limo is very good smell.
Yeah. So citric. Beautiful citrus smell.
Good. And then for the spice, we use the ginger, coriander seed, turmeric, fresh turmeric. Yes, salad, and then red chili, candle nut, garlic, tomato.
What is this one?
Candle nut.
Candle nut. Okay.
Yes. And then turmeric, and then lemongrass. We saute all the ingredients.
So Michelle, look. They squeeze the tamarind seeds with a little water and get that lovely citric smell. If you haven't had tamarind fresh before, you're going to love this.
The first we cook the Sambal Matah. Sambal Matah is all the ingredient is raw,
right?
Raw material.
Right.
Yes, all ingredients.
Raw materials.
Yeah, raw material.
Okay.
Yes,
okay, so we're going to wear gloves. Keep the for us. Thank you. And let me think, because I'm going to left hand, aren't I?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll wear two in case I change. Am I looking hot?
Yes. Very hot. Hotter than you said.
Very hot, huh? I know what she means. Just warm. How are you? Oh, I can't. My brother, how are you?
Very good.
Lovely to see you.
Yeah, I'm ready to taste the...
I'm cooking for you, yes? Okay.
Again, the ingredients for the Sambal Matah. This one is lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
You first and then you cut. Nice.
Too thick?
Yes.
A little bit too thick?
No, it's enough.
It's okay. I haven't got my glasses on. Okay, so we've got the lemongrass. Beautifully cut here, a little bit coarser on my side because I'm not wearing my glasses, my excuse.
Okay. The second is salad. We do some with lemongrass. We only slash. Only slash.
So we're slicing
Yeah.
in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the lemongrass.
So the lemongrass as well.
Brown one. We cut brown one. Brown one like this.
And you roll it?
Yeah, roll it and then cut.
Chiffonade?
And then we use green chili.
Green chili. Seeds as well, yeah?
It's very hot.
So this is extra virgin coconut oil.
We fry the shrimp paste first.
Shrimp paste and
Yes,
then
put here
in here and mix. Okay.
Yeah.
The smell coming off that, Michelle. So we're frying the terasi udang, which will infuse the oil with the coconut, the virgin coconut oil.
And then you can mix with your hand.
Okay.
The call is bejek. Call is bejek.
Bujak.
Yes, bejek. Like this one.
When you mix with your hands?
Yeah.
Bujak. Now we're just going to add a little bit of lime juice in with this, a little citric, just to cut through the oils. There we go. Can I taste this?
You can taste.
Give a little pinch. That's delicious.
Yes.
That is lovely, huh?
Yes.
Perfect.
Complete is more delicious if you use the satay lilit for the mix with satay
Yeah,
lilit.
yeah, yeah.
Very nice.
The kaffir is beautiful. The lime
Yeah.
leaf is beautiful.
And your mouth is fresh.
A little, yeah, it's very fresh, very crisp. A little chili,
Literally.
but not too much.
Yeah.
Very good, chef. Very good.
For now, we cook the satay lilit.
The satay lilit. So we've made the sambal matah, chef. I mean, that is so delicious, honestly. Fresh, crisp. I put all the ingredients so you can actually make this if you like at home. If you can get hold of the ingredients, it'll be fantastic. Next, we're making the satay lilit, which will go with this. It's just perfect.
With the spice for the satay lilit, we use this one,
Right.
lemongrass, and this one, this one,
So turmeric,
yeah, turmeric,
ginger,
candle nut,
candle nuts,
yes,
little garlic,
garlic, and then this one.
and chili.
All ingredients we chop in together.
Okay. Into like a mince.
You like seafood?
Ah, I love seafood. Always. Everyone loves seafood, no?
All the ingredients for the paste we saute with a little of the oil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where you chef?
Okay. So we're blending that. Just, are we reducing it a little bit? A little salt. It's nice that you use this finger. It's good. So we've got the tamarind there. Now, I'm going to mix this with hand. I've got a glove on. Normally I do this without a glove, but we're cooking for people. So, come down. This is a little bit hot, so I'll just get the fish. Pull it together.
Yeah. You put on top from the lemongrass.
Right. So you form on the top.
Yes. Then this one. From this one, you can around again. This running is this one, the finger. There.
Let me feel this. My hands are very hot.
The technique like this. This one is move.
Yeah.
Or this one is move.
So this one, are you going
Yeah.
this way? Okay, so going this way and pulling the thumb around. Let me practice here. Okay.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Ready?
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3.
This is not like the pancake tossing in Penang, Michelle. This I'm gonna lose.
Don't make me laugh. The camera wobbles.
She's laughing at me, Sigit.
Yeah.
She's laughing at me.
But you're getting better.
I'm getting better.
Getting better.
Give me in 1 week,
Yeah.
and I'll be.
No, one day.
One day, but. Yeah, ready, go.
Ah, wait. Yes. You first. I give you time. 1 hour.
Give me 1 hour.
Yes.
Chef, that's not fair.
Ready?
Yeah. Edit that, Michelle. Make me look faster.
Without the. Can I just get this side a minute?
Yeah. Yes. Do we use the fan also? Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
It's still hot, but it's okay. You.
Okay. We'll bring the heat up. coals up. Now this is where the Australian barbecue technique. We're looking for caramelized nice dark color, golden color.
Golden color.
That's proper barbecue, but Bali style. They look nice. Good chef.
Yeah.
Let's go. Try it. Perfect. Yeah.
Perfect.
Best you've ever had.
Yeah.
Best ever. You heard that. Best ever.
The top
Yeah.
on the piece.
Uh-huh.
Maybe you not like hot. Maybe you can separate here.
Okay.
That
This
is
is Sambal Matah.
the nicest part in Bali.
Yes.
The Sambal Matah.
It's very delicious.
Very
you know?
tasty.
I use my fingers, but I like to
Yeah.
taste it.
Good.
Sigit,
Yeah.
thank you very much, my friend.
You're welcome.
You are a champion, and that is beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at that. So there's no excuse not to make this at home. All the ingredients are listed down on my blog. Michelle will write out the full instructions for you so you can make this at home. Share the love, share this video, and we will see you again soon. From Chef and I, arrivederci. Bye. Oh no, how do we say goodbye? Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Yes.
From Chef and I, Sampai jumpa. Jumpa lagi.
Yes.